Hi, welcome to another MYD Minute. One of the things we try to do is give you resources that would be valuable for your business. One of the things I found recently is at ready.gov. It's a business emergency preparedness social media toolkit. And as you know, communication plays a real strong role when it comes to business emergencies and disasters. In this toolkit, there's a number of things. It talks about how to know your risks, what to do, how to have a plan and test it, getting supplies together. And the other thing it does is really speaks to the communications piece, how to have crisis communications messages, what to do, how to get different messages out. It has graphics, it has toolkits, other types of messages. So download this toolkit and help your business be prepared for any emergency or disaster.